Which one are we gonna make today, Albert? Come give him a hug. Hurry up.
I don't want a hug from him.
Oh! What happened?
Huh?
Hmm? I got you both.
Motherfucker.
Oh. Hey, chill. Okay, no more. Okay, yeah. Okay, we're done.
What is this flour?
It's the pancake mix.
Pancake!
There, I slapped you guys with pancake mix.
Dude, this seems crusty as fuck.
It's crusty, huh? What'd you feel?
I didn't feel anything. It just felt...
Shit got in my ear.
I don't know why I put too much. Okay, no one touched the pancake mix. I'm actually gonna make pancakes now. Okay?
Yeah,
Give me the pancake thing.
what pancake thing?
The box in there. I'll I got you again, you little bitch. Yeah, give me that. Yeah. Hobbit, are you alright?
Sure, we're freaking all this up.
Alright, we're good. Alright. We'll meet you guys in a while. Dude, I got you good, didn't I?
Fuck off.
Alright, guys, what's up? So yeah, we're just like making pancakes. Yeah, mop that. Yeah.
Throw this in the sink.
Yo, so what's happening?
Throw this in the sink.
Why?
As I said.
Dude, doesn't this taste good? Yeah, dude, this thing tastes really good. Hashtag salmonella. Like really, I think we're gonna get it because we've been like drinking.
You need to stop.
Stop! Yo, guys, you guys want some pancakes? Tell us right now. Do you want to give them? You want to give them some pancakes?
Hook me up.
Alright, guys, so I'm just gonna like pretend to yell and like try to scare them, like those loud yells. So let's see if it works. So let's see if it works on Hobbit. I scared the fuck out of you. I scared you, dude.
I swear to God. You're lucky I don't bust your ass up. Oh, fuck.
Ooh, dude, that looks really good, actually.
Looks like an egg. Get that crap out of my face. I ain't Logan Paul. Oh, what is his name?
I don't know.
Jake Paul. Oh, motherfucker.
Yo. Hobbit, dude, that looks really good.
Yes, it does.
Yo, dude, they want some.
Look me up. Look for a house. There's orange all over.
Alright, guys, so right now.
Look for the house with reflection tape in front of it.
Shut up.
Shut the hell up.
Dude, Hobbit, dude, guess what? Dude,
What?
eat shit.
So I cook you a damn pancake, and this is the respect I get? Get the hell out of here. Get the...
Hey, okay, guys, we're gonna show you a clip right now of the Hobbit saying he's gonna bust my ass up. So here it is, right here. Yo, dude, are you gonna serve me right now?
Serve it.
Okay, guys, let's get the.
You want me to just give you this plate? Okay, there you go.
Yeah, that one right there. Oh, dude. Wow. Look what you freaking do.
Look what you do.
Dude, look what you do already.
How much pancakes?
2, dummy.
Shut the hell up. Give me attitude like that.
Shut
Just
up.
for that, I'm probably gonna give you a dick pancake. I'll give you a dick pancake.
Yo, dude, this is really good.
I'll give you a dick pancake.
Shut up.
Ah, this would be way easier. Yeah. Fucking shitty. Is that ice? Is that? Is that an actual egg or is it just a shell?
It's just a shell.
That looks like a
Motherfucker.
Hey! 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 You're gonna pay for this, you little motherfucker.
No, yeah, that's my payback right
You're lucky I didn't bust your ass up.
there. Yeah, you lucky. Where's the damn rag?
Right in there.
Fuck.
Fuck! What did I do? Hey, chill. Dude, what the frick? It's literally shaped as a thing.
Yeah, you want to be an ass to me? I'll be an ass to you.
Dude, what the heck is your problem?
What's your problem? Coming up and acting like I'm your slave.
Yeah, dude, this ain't right.
Alright guys, this is Captain Scooby. He's a little kid, likes to talk about weather. You can hit
Alright.
him up.
I'll put his video in the description down below. Right, Cam Scooby?
Yeah.
I'll give you the video where we made him cry.
Yo, dude, that is really gross, dude. What the frick?
It's yours.
It's not mine.
It's a wee wee Josh.
Yeah, that's not cool. Dude, what the frick?
Yo, I'm a chef. It's processing. Not the best.
Tastes really bad.
What, the water?
Yeah.
Apparently it's a nigga bitch motherfucker.
That's for giving me that freaking thing.
Oh, but guess what, motherfucker? You're gonna eat it now.
Dude, that's what you get. You wanna make me more pancakes like that?
I'm gonna do fucking 3 more like that. I'm gonna put syrup as a cum.
Why isn't it turning on?
You don't deserve it, motherfucker.
That's the one you can use.
Does it feel good? Wait, what's wrong? Here, you want me to give you a little bit of some water?
Excited.
I think you need more water again.
Why don't you get some freaking stuff on you?
Alright, Josh,
Brunch.
what?
Nothing.
Dude, what is this? Dude, this is stupid. What the hell? Yeah, this is what happens whenever you come with Hobbit. Yeah.
Enjoy your meal. Stop slapping me with your dick pancake.
Hi, Hobbit.
Mm-hmm.
No, give me that. It's mine.
The fuck? Fuck, you gonna chug syrup?
Yes. Hey, chill. Don't touch my damn syrup.
Give me the damn syrup.
Let me do it for you.
Alright, I know you fucker.
Holy shit. Holy shit.
Stop, you nigga!
Oh, did you hear that?
Stop me, motherfucker! Give me that fucking syrup.
Dude, your thing is full with syrup. I told you guys I would do it. How does it taste? Nasty?
Other than the fact that it's in a fucking pond of syrup, it's pretty good.
It is?
Yeah.
Yo, can I have a bite real quick?
Get the fuck out of here.
Here, let me have this little piece right here.
Yep, let me get that one, please.
Oh, dude, that tastes gross.
It's food, isn't it?
Yeah, but dude, that's syrup.
I wonder why the shit's in there.
Dude, are you alright?
No.
Hobbit, can I have another one?
I have high blood pressure.
Hobbit, can I have another one? Hobbit, are we gonna end off now? Yeah?
The whole video?
Yes. Just say goodbye.
Goodbye.
Hobbit. Hobbit, dude.
Motherfucker.
Say goodbye to the subscribers. Hey, ah! What the hell, dude? Hey! What did it say to them now?
I'm abused.
Abused?
Yeah, I'm
Okay.
abused. I'm abused. Same bit. Alright, I'm gonna get this motherfucker back. He's taking a big old Walt Disney shit in the restroom. I'm gonna get him back. Hide right here.
Hey, guys. for our next bit. Keep recording. It's gross. I can feel so.
You can feel it in your nose, can't you?
No, I can feel it in my ear. Wait, I can.
It hurts your damn nose, that's what. Almost a bit. Man.
No. Have it. Okay. No more.
Flies anyway. Look at him.
Hey, Bentley.
You're going.
Hey, Bentley. Obese.
Obesity?
You're obese.
What about cute bear?
You're obese.
Look at the cute bear.
You're obese.
Oh, not that
Ooh,
kind.
dude, this looks so and the distance, the mighty distance. Hey! Look, yeah, I'll call the cops. I don't want to do it, neither do
Hurry
I.
up!
Just get the.
Hurry up!
Just get.
Hurry up!
Get
Hurry
the
up!
motherfucking
Hurry up!
original
Hurry
outro.
up!
Shut the
Hurry up!
motherfucker, I swear to God.
Yeah, I'm gonna hurry up.
Hurry up, beat the shit out of me. How about that motherfucker?
Hurry up!
Shut up!
Stupid piece of shit.
Hurry up! You lousy piece of shit. Why don't you do it yourself?
Hurry up! Hurry up!
Hey! Leave him
Hurry
alone.
up!
Hey! Had enough of this, hey?
Oh. Hurry up and do it!
You fucking do it, eh? Huh? Piece of shit. Oh, motherfucker. Huh?
Hurry up!
Shut up!
Okay, god damn. All I have to say is just shut up, that's all.
Fucking piece of shit. Alright, people, thanks for watching. Becoming Delirious Prankster today. Our very first video should be out here. Our bullshit editor should edit it in right fucking here. If he doesn't do it, he's lousy as hell. Up here, he should also edit a circle or a subscribe button. Click it. I think that's all we have for today. Like, leave a comment. I'll see you all in the next video. Peace out, everybody. Delirious Prankster for life.